doesn't look too bad. It's pretty serviceable. So yeah, it's just the brushes need replacing. Just took those two rods out, come out of the back cap here. I think I need to put a new bolt in it because that one's actually snapped off, so I've got to figure out how to get in there, if I can run a new bolt in there, because that one's a bit short. It's not great. Not quite sure how I'll do that, but I think it will help. Yeah, but at least that's looking promising. I've just got to replace those and we should be able to get somewhere. Awesome. Where is that bolt? There it is there. Goes up in there. I'll have to try and get in there and see if I can put a better one in. Everything else seems okay. Well, I think I've got to the bottom of the starter motor issue. One brush is pretty much worn down and the other is twisted sideways. That explains a lot. So I've just got to order some new brushes by the looks of it. Fingers crossed it'll get working again.
Toodaloo!